For my Discord bot project, I coded blackjack. All right, let's run the program. All right, and call the function. All right, so we have 10, the dealer has 2. We should hit. We now have 16, the dealer has 2. Let's stand. The dealer ends up getting a higher score than us, and they win. And then our code immediately restarts. We have it in loop, so we can play again. We have 13, the dealer has 3, that's it. We ended up getting 22, so we busted and lose. We have the score that's kept here. There's no number to get to. It's just nice to have. And let's look at the code. Probably my favorite part of the code here is this shuffle cards function. It's so simple, but it works so well. So we have our cards list, and with all of 2 of diamonds and all that, we have deck equals cards, and num cards is just however long the list is. In this case, it's however many cards are in a deck. I don't know. And for this, for every card here, it randomly picks one, and then it adds that to the new deck. It randomly picks a card and makes it, and randomly picks it out of this cards list and puts it as the first one in the deck. So that's a very simple way to mix it up. And yeah, that's probably my favorite part. Down here, we set all the cards' value. Here, we split this. We have spaces here. This splits it twice, and we just have the value of the card is just equal to this. In the case of queens, jacks, and kings, we have this here. In the case of aces, we have 11, and then just int value, just whatever the value of the card is, so 6, if it's a 6 of hearts. Hand value, this is how we keep track of our total to see if we've gone over 21 or if our hand total is better or greater than the dealer's total. This is our interaction for our button. And this is how you get a new card. You got a new card when you click the card. So it adds player hand. Well, it adds a card to player hand using this function. It pops the last one off of the deck list. So that'll just add, basically, since we've already shuffled it, a random one to the player's hand. And it randomly goes through that. And so then you get a new card, and then it totals your new total. Here, this is how we figure out whether you lose and whether or not you win. And this is just what keeps it going, you know? So this is the real nitty gritty. I wouldn't say it's my favorite part. It's a lot of work. Yeah, this is how you check if you win or lose. This is all that. And yeah, that's all my code.